For a long time, I wanted to create a video about what's in my camera bag. One of my favorite type of video I usually watch from the creators. What's in my camera bag and what I carry around every day. And today I thought maybe I create the same thing for my camera gear, that I can show you what I carry and what I use. Let's jump onto the video and I'll show you what I use. Camera case I got in discount because of Good Friday, and it's from Tool Pro. So it's a hard case. It means it's a waterproof, I think. But if not, it's just like a clumpy case. So I'm gonna open this thing and I'm gonna go through everything. I have set it up yesterday and I'll show you what are the things I want to carry with the client shoot. And if you see this here, this is the light I carry usually. It's like an Amron Verge Max. It's like a very portable light. I carry it around, so I have just faced it on the wall. And let's see what we have inside. So first of all, we have foams. You see that this bit is also foam, so it's protective. And also we have very thick foam, and I think this size is like 60 by 35 by 20 something. Yeah, so this is how I set it up. And you see, I'm gonna go through one by one what are these, and I'm gonna maybe shortly tell you what I'm gonna use it for. So first of all, I'll start from here. I made a section here. It was like all flat, like a foam, like it has a pre-cut section. You can take it off and you can customize it for your need. So on the top here, I have my cable management, so microphone cables, usually the chargers, and like just microphone and charger cables usually. And I keep it here, like tucked in here, very organized, like with the cable organizers. And then I have a tripod here. You see this one? I really like this one. This is very cheap. It can be for the phone, also for the camera. It's plastic, but I like it because I usually use it for microphone stand if I want to do it with my microphone. It's very cool and very light, and like 20 bucks, 20 Australian bucks. Any dollar I say, it's for Australian dollar. So move on this side. I have very budget microphone. You might know this. This is Fifine 8. It's very good professional looking USB and XLR microphone. I have two of these, so you see how deep is that. I have put one there and I have the one on top of it, so it goes like this. Pretty cool. So I'll put this one back. This one here is the base for these microphones, two of the base, heavy base if I want to use it on the desk for the client podcast or client shoot if I don't have the arms, because I just want to carry this thing with that Verge Max light to be able to shoot a area. But I want to get more and more of those things to have two lights for having good cover. So then I have my microphone, wireless microphone. It's from newer CM31 CX. It's a wireless microphone. It's not that expensive microphone, 24-bit, but I like it. It has the internal recording and you can connect it to your camera, and it's just quick thing. You can use it, and I'll just put it here like this. And then move on here. I have my portrait lens. It's from Viltrox, 135mm f1.8. This is one of my favorite lenses so far I bought. You see it looks like a GM lens, but it's like from Viltrox for portraits and event shots. This is just amazing. My favorite one out of these things other than the camera. This is a power bank. It's a very great thing. Even it can power my camera, my lights. It's just great thing. And for someone who's looking for power bank, I think this is something that he will not regret. It has two USB, one is retractable, one is like a handle. I have another thing which is game changer for taking photos if you want to take photos. Flash from Godox, it's V100S. It means from Sony, $600 something, and it has a battery like this, can be charged USB-C. I have this thing for taking portraits. Sony ECMS1, it's a podcast style USB wireless microphone. It's rechargeable, you see. It's something really cool for quick things, and the quality out of this thing is such an amazing. The shotgun mount, you can just put it on the top of the camera. I have a charger from, I think it's from KNF Concept. You see this one? Charge 3 batteries. It's not that fast, but I got it very cheap. That's why I really liked it. 4 batteries right now. They are not really good batteries, so I have 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, 4 batteries with the one inside the Sony. I'm planning to replace them with the Sony ones because they are a bit expensive, but they are much reliable than these batteries. So if you're thinking about getting batteries, make sure get batteries which is Sony, much better and much reliable. We have a back here I keep all my SD cards here. It's very cool. I bought it from secondhand store and I really liked it. So you can put a lot of SD cards here. Handy thing for the lens, and also very good for getting the white balance correct. I use this all the time. This is a multi SD card, like all-in-one thing that has a USB mini, USB normal, USB-C, that somehow if I need sometimes like these kind of like flash drive or SD card need for the adapter, then this is very handy and very small. Here I have some microphone adapters, like different size and that's very handy. Here I have my favorite when it comes to cooling the camera. This is also from Neewer. I don't know what's the name of it. This CA155. So you put it at the back of the camera, then this one will cool the camera. And I really like it if you're shooting long time, and especially if you don't have a video camera and it heats up quickly and you're shooting long. For example, I have Sony A7R5. I use this thing for like 4-hour shoot with this thing, and then heat up and then give me a warning. Without this thing, I would get 100% the warning and I would not be able to record a video. Then I have a very cheap light for like a practical light. It's from Glance, the battery I showed you here. So just very cool light, and it has some adapters. It's very powerful. I used it with my gimbal to record it on the side of the camera. Yeah, I just have it here just in case, like if I need a practical or hair light, I can do it. I'm thinking about upgrading it, but for now I'm really happy with this thing because this is not a bicolor. This is bicolor. It's not, I don't think it's a bicolor. I mean, it's not colorful, so you can't get RGB out of it. Then I have some mounts here, 2 mounts, like for this one for camera hot shoe, and then the normal mount, and this one is like for normal threading mount and the mount, just in case if I need it somewhere. Then I have a filter here, like a CPL filter with the ND. Somehow it's 67mm from KNF Concept, and I really like it. And here I have some camera cleaners, like the Air one, the brushes. Oh, white stack here. The brushes there, and then I have, this is for the flash, for the cover of the hot shoe mount to not get dusted. We have the camera itself, Sony A7R5 connected with the Sigma 24-70 DGDN. Might be one of the lens which is most favorite between Sony users, and I really love this thing. So I'll just take this off and I'll show you. I have a cage here. You see here, I think it's from Smorig. It's like a half cage. I bought it from Amazon, like for some, yeah, it's Smorig. I don't know the exact price now, but has good things. Sometimes when I want to put my microphone, it just had like a camera hot shoe mount, and then I can use this for my flash also. So it's very cool. Like on the side also you have attachments. I really like it, and it has a good grip also on the side. Yeah, this is my favorite camera. This Sony A7R5 is pretty for photos, and this is my favorite lens right now for Sony system 24-70. Pretty sharp and covers a lot of things. So for someone who's getting into Sony system, I think the first lens you might want to get it is nothing else than this thing. This is like a very high quality, very sharp image, and very good lens. It's like giving you the quality of a GM lens, but still it's not a GM lens. So yeah, this is the camera I have, and then I put it here like this, very safe, scratch resistant, and then yeah, it's cool. I have a tripod, so I'll try to show you how we're gonna attach it to the case, because this one has like a thing to come out. Then I attach the tripod at the back, like what do you call the something to attach the tripod, and then I can carry it on. So yeah, this is the bag right now I'm standing on. I might add some more stuff because I have another microphone here also, the Rode one, but I want to maybe put a audio interface, because when you do podcast, then you need an audio interface if you don't want to record it on your MacBook, the audio input. But for now, I'm recording the audio from this one to the MacBook to then sync in the post with my camera footage. But if not, if I want to upgrade it, I'm gonna upgrade it, these things, to Rode microphones, maybe something like those, or podcast style microphones, and then having the interface like the Rodecaster, then in that case I'm sure the audio quality is also top tier. And then just one thing is getting a second camera, 2 tripods, 2 cameras. And second camera, I will manage it around here. If I get the smaller microphones, like the Rode PodMic, it might be this much size, and I have a good size for the, what do you call, a camera, like A6700 or Sony ZV-E10 or ZV-E1, like a secondary camera that I have could cover in like a podcast area. And the other thing I might need to upgrade, maybe not now, maybe in some point if I need it, but I don't think. But I really like the Rode Wireless Pro, which is like a 32-bit float audio recording. This one is 24-bit, but still acceptable. But if you're doing some good high pay or like a very good like audio quality or video quality shot, then you might consider, or especially if you're going outside for an event shoot, you might consider having something like Rode Wireless Pro or DJI mic. People love DJI mic, but I love Rode Wireless Pro, so that will be my next thing, to just make it Rode, Sony, and then maybe Sigma and Viltrox ecosystem. Out of these things, as you know, the Sony brands are very high quality, and I love the Viltrox because it's considered as third-party lens, but if you see the reviews for this lens, it's just an amazing. Yeah, so this is my case. How I close it, just close it down. It has 4 clips around, just close it, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section which camera gear you like the most, which one you have, and which one you want to get. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.